Bada bing, bada boom. Welcome, another episode, another crisis. Here I am again, sign XYNN, hindi SIGN. Hello everyone. Ako na naman by my lonesome, as always. Wala na nagbago. And another episode na naman of a chill episode. Chill lang tayo ngayon right now. This past few weeks, almost a month and a half na at this point, napapansin nyo, chill lang. Ako lang mag-isa, walang guest masyado na. And umiikli yung episode. Umaba lang siya dun sa review episode last week. Excuse me, meron ako ng tubig. Pero other than that, mas maging shorter and shorter. I feel like it's gonna be a theme. Ngayon pa lang, umaatake tayo, 1 minute away. Update na agad about the state of affairs. Here's a podcast. Yeah. Pero it's a good thing in a way. Kasi things have been cooking up sa personal side of things na I am very pleased to, na is happening. And I feel like it's taking time na in a way sa akin na yung priority ng Midnight Crisis is, changing. So, I guess ito yung update video na executive decision dahil si Jabez is naka-LOA, leave of absence right now, due to life stuff. So, naisip ko, atake pa lang actually, atake na agad. Walang lube, wala nang foreplay, pasok agad. Na, from this episode and then sa mga succeeding episodes, it's gonna be, oh my gosh, ngayon ko na sasabihin, every other week na lang. Oh my goodness! Every other week na lang ang Midnight Crisis. Oh my gosh, why? Well, okay, well, so yun yung magiging change. Atake agad, wala nang kamustahan. TLD, ano bang mga keywords ngayon? Like, so context, kauwi ko lang ng house, right? Sa work right now. It's again another Thursday na naman night na recording. So Friday morning ang posting. Well, sa US, pero sa what do you call this? Sa PH time, kasi inisip ko rin yung PH time. Basically, umaga ko itong record or tanghali na at this point para mamayang gabi o mamayang paggabi ma-upload yung episode basically sa mata. So anyway, kung makikita nyo yung time span ng recording is paikli kasi before meron behind the scenes lang na kwento. May mga episodes na naka-line up, sometimes mga 4 episodes, isang buong buwan na like parang ready lang to upload every week dahil may guests, may banter kami ni Aldous before and ni Jabez. And kapag may mga episodes na like kunyari ako lang mag-isa, like parang try ko para i-maintain yung weekly episodes, right? Pero nagiging theme na siya this past few weeks and parang nakikita ko looking forward sa mga dadaan na araw, weeks, maybe months na it's gonna be like this for a couple, it's gonna be like this, right? And kumbaga attention na nabibigay ko sa podcast here, kahit masaya siya gawin and masarap mag-share ng life and mga shenanigans sa stuff. It's getting to a point sa akin personally na minsan wala na ako masyadong baon na story kasi I don't know, mas pinili kong i-keep. Kumbaga parang weirdly habang tumatagal yung Midnight Crisis or like parang habang tumatagal yung idea of me sharing, yung nangyayari sa life ko is getting like, kumbaga habang nagiging mas public ako, habang tumatagal yung channel, nagiging mas private akong person, weirdly. Kasi tinry ko last year na like maging ma-share, like maging expressive sa feelings, maging vulnerable. May mga nangyaring teary-eyed moments tayo with the guests and stuff, right? But habang tumatagal, nag-shift yung focus sa life, sa personal life ko. It's been getting better, healthier, much more happier, and due to that, weirdly, yung crisis sa Midnight Crisis is hindi nagiging crisis, right? So, nawawala na tayo ng stuff to talk about in a sense of like to explore like concepts and themes of like parang problem solving. Kasi usually sa may crisis pa napapansin niyo yung mga episodes laging kung may guest or kapag merong, solo episodes may laging problema. Laging like parang, okay meron pinagdadaanan ako or yung guest or si Jabez or si Aldous, right? May topic doon. Like, may trying to like explore yung like feelings namin. Like, nagiging parang therapy siya weekly for us. But recently, dahil nagiging solo managing ako this past few weeks, weirdly, it's like yung nga, nawawalan ng point mag midnight crisis. Ang point is mag crisis sa madaling araw. Yun na parang nagiging lesser yung parang nagiging lesser yung time to like parang think hanggang madaling araw. Mas nagiging smoother na yung tulog. Kumbaga parang again, yung cute na wording na midnight crisis, nawawala yung crisis sa midnight. Mas nagiging night lang siya, normal night. And parang napaisip ako about the future of this podcast na parang may mga episodes na like I'm just gonna yap about stuff like weekly and I feel like baka mag-discuss and feeling ko sa akin din medyo like parang napupush ka na yung sarili ko na like okay, kailangan ko mag-upload for this weekend. I feel like naka-compromise yung what this could be kasi may mga stuff akong pwedeng gawin here like mga planned na episodes na like parang scripted even like I'm really like meaning to like create a scripted episode, like as a topic about something that I'm really passionate about and gagamitin ko tong Mini Crisis a platform to like talk about it like movies, maybe books, mga ganun like laging doon naman, laging media lang but yun nga like as mas focus na ako sa private stuff right na masarap ikwento pero parang si Steve Rogers sa Avengers Endgame na no, I don't think I will. Parang nandun pupunta ako sa point na yun na parang feeling ko mas nagiging nagiging like paano ba? Yeah, I don't think I will vibes na like parang I'm just gonna chill, I'm just gonna enjoy what's happening privately and coast yung river where this goes or go with the flow in a good way. And yeah, weirdly, this podcast like sumakto, yung year review, diba? Yung second year here ko, it's about, I guess, 2025 going in. Ano ba yung egg? Basta may sinulat ako sa egg. I forgot na I'm a fake fan sa sarili kong life. Right, may sinulat ako sa egg no 2025. 2024 papuntang 2025 and then 2025 papuntang 2026 sinulat ko is EXP grind, like experience grind. And I feel like I've been tawag dito, I've been hindi manifesting, I've been like experiencing that. I've been like parang holding on to that dream or promise or New Year's resolution this year. Na every month I have something new to do. I get to see something new lagi every month and like parang lumalawak yung social circle ko, lumalawak lahat, financial circle, like parang mas nakukultivate ko yung relationships around me, family, closer. Alam mo like parang it's just like parang yung grind hindi na siya katulad last year na like I burn myself. You can see sa mga episodes if you could look back, especially with Aldous, like the one that stands out is yung Limerence episode. That was really an episode na that time while na-remember ko yung moment that time while we were recording it, I was really in a rough place talaga. Like parang may mga I think yung mga 20s episode, 20s to 30s, yun yung parang it was really rough like behind the scenes, right? So like para mas motivate kami ni Aldous, nagtutulungan kami. Yung nakwento namin to before na like kami gagatungan kami, sa emotions namin. Kumbaga like tutulungan kami and yung podcast is like a conduit. Like pwede siya maging meeting place namin. At least forced kami to like talk about ourselves and eventually after recording we talk more. But ngayon, like parang I feel like I'm okay. I'm okay. Sasabihin ko yung word na I cannot believe I'm gonna say kasi I can't believe na nandito ako sa point na to right now. Of course, pwede siya mag-change. Life is so unpredictable. But gusto ko siyang i-put on the record, right? Like minsan lang to mangyari, minsan lang to sabihin lumabas sa bibig ko. But right now, I am happy. So like parang ngayon, kumbaga ayoko pag happy ako, like parang may good things nangyari sa akin, ayoko masyado i-share or ayokong kasi feeling ko pag ginagawa ko parang pinapamukha akong happy ako. Ang weird na rin kasi for some people yung successes is yun yung story, yung masarap pakinggan. Ewan ko, like I guess for me personally hindi siya masarap sabihin. parang gano'n kasi ayokong I feel like it's an overcompensation dahil kasi before nung high school ako, I mean, past friends could attest to this. I was really, really, really mayabang talaga. Talagang malaki ulo ko. Na-humble lang ako nung senior high and especially nung college, na-humble pa ako lalo and you know, tumagal ang panahon, lalo ako na-humble hanggang ngayon na 'pag may good shit na nangyayari sa life ko, I just low-key lang ako, chill lang, Hindi ko masyadong shine-share or 'pag shine-share ko, like, really close people lang talaga. Um, and nandito ako sa point na I don't wanna jinx it. Ayokong i-share yung mga things na nangyayari lalo na on the up, right? Kasi baka ma-jinx, bigla siya mag-change or something like that. Parang gusto ko lang siya personally cultivate, alagaan, and hindi siya i-put sa spotlight. Parang gano'n. So, yun yung akin, I guess. Mas madali sabihin yung mga problems, right, out loud. Kasi, it could come across, pwede siya makatulong as a rant or like parang stress reliever lang para masabi mo, ma-put into words mo out loud, marinig mo, and marinig ng ibang tao yung problema mo, right? And in turn, baka ma-process mo siya kasi parang pag sinabi mo na out loud, pero pag happiness kasi, pag good stuff happening sa'yo, baka boasting lang siya. Yun yung akin personally. I'm happy makarinig ng kwento magaganda sa ibang tao, mga success ng mga good stuff na nangyari sa life nila. Ako personally, it's just hindi ako ganoon. Like usually I keep to myself, sometimes nga, at the detriment of like kasi sometimes people, ang common feedback or criticism sa akin as a person, like parang interacting with people lang, is like weirdly I know a lot about them, about people, but they don't know much about me. Like kasi usually I just really like listening to people. Like I guess nahalata naman sa mga guests episode. I really love like talking and like listening sa stories nila and just asking questions like how did they get there, kung ano yung path nila, like ano yung motivate, what para kanino ka bumabangon, 'di ba? Yun yung question na like really like ano sa yung parang laging final question namin. Masarap malaman kung ano yung motivation ng tao to wake up and to like move, to live, right? Pero pag tinanong mo ako noon, I don't know what to say kasi it's just like usually I keep to myself yung thoughts na yun, and kapag tinatry ko na siyang articulate, hihilahin ko pa siya way back dun sa library, sa cache ng mind ko, and like it'll take me a while to like think about my answer kasi usually kinikip ko lang siya doon sa library, sa likod ng library, parang gano'n lang. So anyway, yun lang. Basically, this is ito ni starting this August, and sakto second year of me here. I guess may mga changes a bit behind the scenes and of course front of the scenes, right? Like yun yung changes here. Like we're gonna be more episodes are gonna be more spaced out every other week na ang Minute Crisis. Hopefully that means hopefully okay kasi nilook forward ko, pero I'm sure hindi mangyayari to. Pero I'll make effort to at least, dahil every other week na siya, more time na to prep and to have topics na mas interesting or mas scripted or at least mas may segments. Kumbaga, guests, maybe more guests will magpipick up, but to be honest, it's just like I've been, I haven't been reaching out. To be honest, like halata naman sa mga past episodes, right? I haven't been reaching out masyado sa mga people and sa contacts to talk to them. It's just like I guess naging busy lang sa personal life, and again like sa private life mas mas nag-focus lang ako this past few weeks to a month or and a half. And yeah, yun lang changes because every other week maybe content I think won't change much. Magkakaroon ng guest pa rin, maybe Reddit stories para at least meron topic to talk about. But other than that, it's just it. But I'm just been living, and ayoko kasi every episode yun lang yung lagi ko sinasabi, I've just been living. Like wala na akong share, right? And for the foreseeable future, ako lang, Jabez may appear every once in a while, we'll see, pero to keep expectations in check, kumbaga, diba? It's gonna be me for a while. So parang naisip ko, okay, might as well kaysa sa consistent pa rin pero magiging lesser, right? Like parang ganun. Hopefully it's a good thing para lesser pressure din and lesser din sa quote-unquote compromise ng quality. Kung may quality tong podcast in the first place. But anyway, kasi it's basically just been a box lang, to an outlet lang para mag-yap, diba? Pero may weeks na like wala akong may yap kasi just like a lot of like life stuff happen lang, and like pag share ko siya, like I don't know, I don't see yung value in sharing yung mga stuff na good thing. Yay! Alam mo yun, like, ewan ko, magsasabi sana ako ng example, pero alam mo yun, like, parang, good stuff happened to me, I don't know, I feel like, parang, okay, and, so, parang ganun yung akin, I don't know, maybe sa akin to, problema ko na to, pero, mas vocal ako sa issues, problems, versus sa mga things that, like, going well for me, parang ganun. Pero, it's a good thing, I guess it's a good thing, kasi, like, ibig sabihin nun, yeah, things have been really chill, really good, feel really light, and feel really good. Second year, it's been a journey, August. Malapit na tayo sa bare months of 2026. And ito na yung counts, as my second year here sa US. So from August 2025 to August 2026, it's been like a lot of like rapid changes, unexpected developments, and a lot of learning. And I've just been like it's gonna be weird kasi I think parang ang sarap yatang balikan yung year 1 episodes, like per personal like consumption lang, na balikan ko yung episode 1, I guess yun naisip ko, and like just reminisce about like, oh my gosh, ito yung status ko sa life that time, ito yung like ito ako sa chessboard that time, ito yung location ko, nandito ako, ito yung pieces that I had that time. Parang it's gonna be an experience to look back sa life ko a year ago, na or even 2025, a year ago, March 2025, like reflect lang, think about like ano yung mindset ko that time, right? Ano yung like parang plans ko sa future, ano yung parang outlook ko sa sarili, and like kung ano yung nag-change yung March of 2026. Diba? I don't know, it's just gonna be like fun lang to look back, and it's nice to look back on this na meron akong like parang tawag dito, evidence of like parang my journey, yung physical appearance, right, yung parang opinions, perspective, and even yung room, like makikita niyo yung development ng room, na paiba-iba ng angle, and then slowly ito naman nabibuild up yung collection of plushies, yung mga ganun, mga interests, like parang it's just been, I mean, even sa skin, like sa tattoo, right, like it's just really cool to look back, to have like a video to look back to, diba? Kasi di talaga ako before maka-picture person, wala akong, it sucks, nung college wala akong masyadong picture, nung high school wala talaga masyadong picture, and I deeply regret that kasi wala akong mabalikan, like lagi, very proud ako dati, dude, nandito yan, pero like parang hindi to reliable hindi nga reliable kung tatanungin mo kung ginawa ko 30 minutes ago, an hour ago, tatanaw, like drive ako pa uwi, that's it, pero like other than that, like I don't know na, diba, you know what I mean? Yeah, mas maganda may look back on, watch that, by the way, or read that manga, Tatsuki Fujimoto, one shot manga, anyway, that's it. Just quick update and life update / state of affairs, ano ba, status, anong tawag dito sa mga ganun? Hindi siya state of affairs parang basta may term or state of the art, no, state of the something, you know what I mean, okay, like anong oras na here, kauwi ko lang ng work, okay, gusto ko na maligo, pero yeah, that's it. It's been nice. Wala akong sabi ba. It's been really nice. Been really, wala lang. Just been cool. I've been cool, yo. Just been more chilling. Yan lang. Okay? I've learned my lesson. I've changed. I've learned my lesson. Yeah, I'm gonna be more chill. We're gonna appreciate life more. Ito yung thing. Here's the thing. I guess to like parang closing statement lang. Here's the thing. I'm not gonna take it for granted anymore. That's it. I'm not learnings, changes, right? The values, perspectives I had before, nag-improve, nag-develop, nag-change, and I'm here now sa point ng life ko na yung mga what happened, like holistically what happened sa ever since I started this podcast. I won't take it for granted anymore. Parang ganun. I'll hold on to this. Parang ako na to. I feel like I have a clear perspective now. Way, way clearer. Mas stronger person. Mas stronger. I have resolve. Parang ganun na. And just feel really good about that. parang gano'n. And I guess kaya meron akong lakas ng loob din mag-change yung Midnight Crisis to a bi-weekly format dahil it's a big change kasi like hindi siya magiging consistent in a way na every Friday, right? Pero consistent pa rin siya na bi-weekly siya. You know, like parang it's a shift sa atake, pero it's a shift na necessary to maintain itong, para may kwento pa rin ako, guys. Okay, para hindi tayo weekly, wala akong maisip, so maglayap lang ako about movies or something. Parang at least merong more time, stretch of time na mas mahaba. Ibig sabihin, more stretch of time na makapag-isip ako and makapag-ipon ng guest, hopefully, or makapag-make ng content na like biglang bubulagain ko kayo, meron akong video essay or something like that, diba? Parang, pero, yeah, yun lang. Yeah. That's the state of affairs. Wala talagang maisip. Alam ko may iba pang word for this pag may update, may big channel update. Pero something channel weekly update. But basta, I'm not sure. Pero there we go. And that's it. I'm gonna see you next week. Hanap ako ng medyo mas catchy or catchphrase for that. But that's it. Short episode. Baka masali tayong mga ganun lang. 30-minute episode na lang, right? Pero yeah, hope you guys are okay. Umuulan sa Pinas. This past few weeks, isang linggo kalahati na daw or 2 weeks na umuulan sa Pinas. So, umbrella, ingat. Okay? Madulas. Sa mga may medyas, bring extra na medyas. Alam kong ilang beses na ako nabiktima dati nung high school kaya nasisira lang mga sapatos ko kasi wala akong pake. Kung baha, aapak ako, sira sapatos kasi hindi ko Anyway, alaga ng mga shoes, socks, you know, and na-underestimate natin ang baho ng paa. Guys, alagaan nyo yung baho ng paa nyo kasi turn off yan sa mga girls. Okay? Turn off yan sa mga partners. Brush your teeth and eat well, sleep well, and live well. That's it. Wala nang masabi ba? That's it. Alright. See you next week, guys. Thank you so much for watching and or listening. Thank you for tolerating my yapping and my updates sa Midnight Crisis. And it's gonna be a year for sure. Sa mga next few months. I'm excited. Next year, it's gonna be really exciting. But for now, we're just gonna coast and enjoy. So there we go. Enjoy your week. Hello, week. Oh, there we go. I'll see you next week. Because anyway, you know what I mean. All right, that's it. Signing off. Ano bang sinasabi ko dati? Wala lang, di ba? Nagbabay lang. That's it. See you guys. Mwah. Bye.